I want to show you a very easy cheat code you can use in the markets, and it's this wick that you see right here. It's called a data high. Why is it so important? Well, this was red folder news. If you go to forexfactory.com and you see a red folder, for example, this week there was one at 10 a.m., you can see here that this candle was that news. It leads to volatility that creates this wick, and this wick acts as a magnet for price. So now we're gonna look for a setup to get to that data high. What do I look for? Three things. I want to see us trade into a bullish PD array. In this case, it is this fair value gap on the 1 minute. As you can see, we stabbed into it right here. Secondly, I'm looking for a bearish PD array to be violated. In this case, it is a 1 minute fair value gap. As you can see, this is that bearish PD array. And number three, I'm looking for a very obvious level of liquidity. In this case, as I've told you guys before, it was this data candle wicks high where a lot of shorts stops are resting. So to enter the trade, we're basically looking for a close above the fair value gap, which in this case we get right here. So your entry would be right here. Stop loss would be a 1 minute close back below the inverse fair value gap, and take profits would be at the data highs. And boom, just like that, take profit hit. So this was a trade that I called live while streaming on YouTube. I try and do it almost every single day. If you guys want to see me trade live, you can subscribe to my YouTube. If you guys also want some of my private calls, my swing trades, option alerts, you can also join my community. Link will be in the description below. We're currently running a free 3-day trial.